being a certified voice artist does not only take, talent. It also needs hard work, dedication, and availability. And for that, I am really, really thankful for the chance to reach one of my dreams. To make it, to make it true, to realize it. Kasi, if it were not for this training, I wouldn't be even thinking about trying out for anime characters or even write my own scripts. And for that, you are all appreciated. Kaya sa lahat ng bumubuo ng CVAP, to VM Pocholo de Leon Gonzalez, to my BR2 voice mates, ayun, and then to our mentors, Miss Diana and Mommy Ting, thank you so much. If it weren't for you, hindi namin kakayanin